chasing the sun. All those days trying to find a place where you'll make her just be alone, all those nights lying by your side.
Hey y'all, welcome to my video. I don't do my mommy tama. My mommy wait for the Meduma.
You mean too long? So you guys, this is gonna be like very like formal, unofficial, like it's just gonna be all that. It's just raw. We just going with it. So I got my camera. So I'm super excited, you guys. Why did I get so this? I'm super excited. Let me tell you, I've been waiting for this camera ever since Saturday. Even though they was like, okay, it's not coming to Monday, ma'am. It was in like North Carolina, which is close to me, ever since Friday. So I've been waiting for it ever since Friday. Excuse my personal slide. I can't see my personal slide good stuff. So we got to open it, we got to unbox it, all that good stuff. I thought we need to be zoomed in a little more. Like, can y'all see me? Are we good? Let me zoom in just a tad bit more. So I'm gonna leave the link below where I purchased the camera because I actually got it for a good price. So I actually got this camera for a pretty good price, you guys. And the shipping, I wasn't supposed to get it until the 19th. The 19th, which is tomorrow, to the 21st. So Amazon, I got off Amazon. So Amazon said I wasn't going to get it until like Tuesday to Thursday, but today is Monday, the 19th, 18th. So I'm supposed to get it tomorrow or Thursday, but it came super fast. Like I said, I'm going to leave the link below for you guys. So
Daddy, I'm
gonna close my eyes, mama. You gotta be involved. Okay, let me get it open and you can pull it out, okay?
Okay. What?
So all this stuff will be listed below. I feel like I got it for a good price. I got it for under $500. So pull it out.
That's a camera.
So here's the box, you guys. Here's the box for all of my oldies and all of my newbies, but mainly all my oldies. You guys know I've been wanting this camera for forever, so I finally got it. Let's see, it came with this little piece of paper. So, and this just says, thank you for your order. If you have any questions or concern about your order or simply need assistance, please contact us. And it has the email that I can contact them at. And it says, we are delighted to see that you receive your order quickly and safely. If you're satisfied with the product, please leave a review. And if you leave a feedback, they'll send you a free 32GB memory card within 48 hours of your feedback. So definitely want to respond to the feedback. So let me give you guys a little bit of information first. So sitting right here, I know you guys are like, Brittany girl, we just want to see the unboxing. No, we want to see us stuck there. I'm just trying to get it open too, girl, so I understand. I know what you mean. Okay, so first of all, with this camera, it's the Canon PowerShot G7x Mark II, and it says it's the international model, so it did not come with any warranty at all, you guys. It did not come with no warranty at all. So what I did was, when I ordered off Amazon, I was able to purchase additional warranty on Amazon. The warranty that I purchased on Amazon is from Square Trade, and it's a 2-year camera and camcorder warranty. It's the accident protection plan, and that was, let me tell you guys the exact amount. That was $22.23. So I purchased the warranty separately, and I have an email and everything for my warranty. If I'm not mistaken, I think you can buy the warranty like additional years, you know, after, you know what I mean, like once it expires you can rebuy it. If I'm not mistaken, I don't want to lie to you, but you may want to read up on it. Why'd you do that, Brandon? Brandon, stop. I wanted to see it. So yeah, you guys, but so let me tell you guys, make sure I want to tell you everything. So it is, whenever I went and looked at the camera, it had it listed as, it has buying options, so it has options. I went with the cheapest store out there, which right now they no longer have any available, so they must be all sold out. But they have like refurbished, they have used like new, they have used very good. So mine actually had used on it, but whenever you click on it, like to click on the actual, I didn't mean to add it to the cart, y'all. Let me see if I can click back on it. Whenever you actually click on it and it has like conditions and notes, mine had brand new. It had like a little used, but it had brand new. So I'm guessing that it's brand new because it had brand new, never used. That's what it had, brand new, never used. But it also had listed as used by it, so maybe somebody brought it and returned it. I'm not quite sure. But that's why I got the warranty, just to be on the safe side. And like I said, you guys, after taxes and everything, let me tell you guys how much it was. Let me tell you guys right now. After taxes and taxes for the camera, it was $480. And for all you guys like, girl, you out there balling, girl, you doing it? No, I've been like procrastinating over buying this camera for the longest. It took like some saving, as well as like I was like got my tax money I was debating, and I got some like another little blessing I was debating. But anywho, long story short, I got it. So I think $480 is a really good price. So the box seems to, wait a minute, Mama, I'll show you. The box seems to be in pretty good condition. I do see like a little bend here, but I feel like that could have came from when it was shipping. But the box seems to be in pretty good condition. My battery's down, so let me switch on my, and they like throw stuff around and all that good stuff. So when you first open it up, hold on, Mommy. When you first open it up, it comes with the manual, the Canon manual. Hope you guys can see that. So it comes with that, or this is a manual, yeah. And then it also comes with, Mama, if you give me 1 second, I'll let you hold it, okay? It also comes with the PowerShot Mark G7X. Oh, maybe this is like a manual too, or a guide or instructions, but it comes with this little booklet. Alright, so then we have our charger port, our port for our charger, so got that in there. And then it has like this little flap. Alright, so on this side, and I have one of these already, but I'm so grateful because it came with my camera. The camera I'm recording from now is also a used camera. So I also have one of these already, you guys. The used camera that I have, I brought the used camera from someone. Hold this up so you can see it. I bought the used camera from someone and it came with this. So here's a little charger. And I got another battery, which I'm super grateful for, you guys, because my oldies, y'all know, my battery is always down on me. So maybe this will, now I have a total of 4 batteries, because when I brought my used camera, it came with batteries. So I have a total of 4 batteries now. So we should be good, you guys. But it is an official Canon battery. Hold on, Mama. Wait a minute. I don't want you. Wait a minute. This is the official Canon battery, so it's not like the knockoff or anything. And then it comes with the strap.
What's that?
Smart, the camera? That's the camera.
Camera?
Yeah. And it comes with the strap, you guys. Everything seems to be packaged pretty good. Maybe it looks like somebody could have took the tape off of it, but everything seems to be packaged pretty good. Like I told you guys, it had used, brand new. So here's my baby. So here's the camera. Wait a minute, Mama. Thank you. Brandon. Your hand's greasy from the popcorn. Look, you put grease on already. Here's the camera. Like I said, excuse my hands because they are ashy. But here's the camera, you guys. Everything looks new. That's a piece of lint. Everything looks new. Everything looks in good condition. I don't see any damage on it. Nope, I don't see any damage. Let's flip up the screen. Flip up works. All the screws is in there. Everything seems intact. The buttons. Everything seems intact, you guys. And then it tilts back. So it tilts back. Let's look there. Make sure all the screws are there. All the screws are there. Yep. No scratches. That's a screw right there. And make sure there wasn't a scratch. No scratches. Everything looks intact, you guys. So it really does look like a brand new camera. Even though it said used, brand new. Looks like a brand new camera. I'm waiting on it to focus. So I went and got a battery. Just in case the Canon battery is not charged, I went and got a battery because we're about to power this bad boy on. So let's see. You guys, I'm like super excited. So time I power on, it automatically tells me to set the date and the time. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. And y'all, the quality is awesome. Now right now it does say no memory card. I do have one memory card, but I definitely need to get a new memory card. But it is like so nice. So I may have to play around with you guys. I never had the G7X2. I had the like regular G7X, but that was almost a year ago. So it has like all this little stuff you can play with, you guys. I'm super excited. So I'm definitely gonna like play around with it, look at the settings, see which settings that I like the best. I'm definitely gonna do all of that, you guys. And once I get it situated and set it, yeah, you guys will be seeing new vlogs off of this camera. If you guys are not familiar with my channel, I am a vlogger. I'm a mom vlogger. I vlog my mom day-to-day life. I'm gonna have 2 kiddos, Brandy and Dante. So if you guys are interested in my vlogs, please stick around, check them out, click on any of the cards that I should have floating around feel free to click on them. But I'm super excited about my camera. And if you guys have a G7X too, tell me what's the best settings for vloggers. Comment below what's the best settings, and if you don't have one, comment below if you guys are getting one. So thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you guys for tuning in. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please leave those below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, y'all.